Hi there, this is Corey with Porsche Colorado Springs. Wanted to take you for a tour around our 2012 911 Carrera. Let's get right into it. All right, here she is, 2012 911 Carrera, trimmed in classic Guards Red. Gotta love it, with black interior. Got the black Turbo 2 option wheels on it. This car just got photographed and will be going on live on our website today or tomorrow, but wanted to walk around it and highlight a few features. This one actually has some really nice options on it. It's got the PDLS, or Porsche Dynamic Lighting System. Previous owner did put tinted film on them. That is removable if you don't love it, but it does darken the color of them slightly. It does have paint protection film. Kind of see where the line is right here. So going up the hood about 18 or so inches, and on the fender edges and the front bumper cover. Let's see. Also has factory 5mm wheel spacers in the rear. I didn't even know Porsche did factory wheel spacers, so that's kind of a neat option that shows up on the build sheet. Black brake calipers up front. Coming around the back of the car, it does have the optional clear taillights. I believe these also have a film on them as well. They do. So they're slightly tinted from the factory, or from what the factory look would be, rather. It has the optional sport exhaust. That's pretty rare to see on a standard Carrera. Usually I've only ever see this on something like a GTS. Got the nice classic 911 badge. Keeps it free from clutter in the back here. I like that. It has the antenna on top. That means it should have satellite radio and navigation. Got the black leather interior. This has the optional Bose stereo, so better sound quality than the standard stereo. And we have the 12-way power adjustable heated and ventilated seats. You can see the perforated leather for the seat ventilation, and the Porsche crest on the headrest. I always like that touch. This has the sport design steering wheel with the PDK paddle shifters. Of course, the PDK automatic 7-speed gearbox. And it has the Sport Chrono package, which gives it a sport mode and has the lap timer there. Porsche crest on the center console. Yeah, just a really, really nice spec. Just rolled over 85,000 miles on the clock. And we'll have some high-res photos here on the website shortly, but wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. All right, that's our 2012 911 Carrera. Beautiful car, well optioned, and it's got the 9A1 engine, unlike the previous 997.1s, so no worries about IMS bearings on this one, thankfully. Please let me know what questions you have. Drop a comment below or give me a call at area code 617-909-8011. Thanks for watching.